today I am doing an unboxing. That is my first, I guess, product unboxing. So it's not plants. I was actually contacted and asked if I would do a review of a light bulb. So for a free light bulb, I have to do a video about it. I have to show the box. And it's a grow bulb, and so I was very interested in trying it out. So we have Pinto. Hi, Pinto. All right, so this is how this is gonna go. This is the Pure White LED grow light from House Bright. I had a choice of the Pure White. There is a grow, oh, Pinto! Before we were so rudely interrupted by Pinto, what I was trying to say is that there was a selection of 3 different types of bulbs. Pinto, no, do not knock it over again. Come here. All right. Holding you in my lap. There was the Pure White, there was a warm white, and there was a red and blue grow bulb. And I hate how my orchids look underneath the red and blue, so I said, send me the Pure White. It came via Amazon, and I'm trying to keep Pinto from knocking the camera over again. And here's the box. You open it up. It's just a light bulb. So it's not a light fixture, it's just a light bulb. And it has on the inside instructions that if you go to bonus.housebright.com, you can get some extras. A protective LED lens cover, a 3-year warranty, a quality ebook, a discount coupon, and a link to a secret video. And so I went to the website and I put in my information, and I am trying to keep Pinto from knocking over the camera. All right, so taking it out of the box. Oh, and I wanted to say that when you go to the website, you, I guess it takes them a few days, 10 to 12 days to verify whether or not you have actually ordered this, your order number. So I have no video for the additional things that are listed here. So right here I have, this is the LED lights. You can see it right here. They're just white lights. And remember, it's only a light bulb. It's pretty heavy. So I have right here a very old light fixture that my mother-in-law gave me eons ago. We're gonna see if it fits. She gave it to me, and I think that the light doesn't work in it, so let me double check. No, so see, it doesn't, the light doesn't turn on. So I think that's why I've never used this, because she gave it to me and she's like, here's a plant light, you grow lots of plants, and the light has never turned on. So we'll have to find out if this fixture actually works. We'll have to find out if this fits. Oh no, it's too small. So, thing with trying this out is you'll have to buy like a cord that has a socket at the end of it, or a fixture that is large enough to hold this light bulb in order to use it. And apparently my light fixture is too small. So that's this unboxing. I'm gonna have to find another way to actually try out this bulb and see if it turns on. So there we go, it does turn on. I'm going to have to find a fixture for it. But there you go. That's what it looks like when it's on. And I hope I'll be able to provide a video at some point of it in use, since I don't actually have a way to put it over my plants yet.